Welcome back to another video. It is a sunny day here in the Carolinas. We are going to be attending another Beers and Gears today. We got the S5 right here. We've got some things coming for the S5, all right? We've got, well, actually, I'm not going to say yet. I'll make the videos for that. I'll probably do some installation videos or something like that. If you want to see more S5 content, let me know. Definitely subscribe. Also, if you want to see more jet ski content, we have the new Sea-Doo GTR right here. So we will be taking that out a good bit this summer as well. So if you like jet ski content, subscribe. If you like S5, Audi content, whatever, subscribe. Or just fucking like and subscribe anyways, okay? But yeah, so that's the plan. We're gonna be going to Beers and Gears, heading out here in a second, and you know, we're gonna see some nice cars. Hey, we're finally out here. We made it. Got Stones over here. We got the GTR Familia. There's some sick ass cars here today.
Yeah, buddy, I know fun. I knew it.
Super. Oh shit, you got the tow truck out here. Yikes. Oh, the 442's leaving.
Damn.
The F8 with the Boston wheels. Slick. We got another up there, right over here.
Maybe 30 years ago.
That shit would have been tight in like 1950.
Hell yeah, walking around fucking loaded.
The Trans Am. NSX. Is this a, is that, oh, that's a TRX. They call these the T-Rex. Apparently they have like, what is it? A 6.2 supercharged. And then the GT2 RS. Apparently this truck has like 700 horsepower or something. There's that GT2 RS. Both of these are his cars. The blue spec with the yellow seats, the black and yellow seats. This is too clean.
One thing you're never gonna have more of.
You gotta get the Cullen in over here. Ooh. Shit is sick.
I never thought I'd do anything in dreams. I love everything, every job I ever had. I finally got a job.
Look at that color though.
Nah, I like it. Yeah, I do like it.
Yeah. I don't know. You can't go wrong. You can't go wrong with this color. And all the carbon fiber.
I'm trying to keep my hands off, bro. I just want to touch it.
I'm about to drop my damn GoPro over here. Damn. Everybody's leaving now though, so I think the car meet's officially over. Now we going to get margaritas.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See you guys later. Like and subscribe.